Hello everybody, my name is Chukwuka Okonye and today you're welcome to my channel. Well, today we shall be looking at how we can use coconut water to liberate oneself from debts. That is how to use coconut water to pray so that you can get money to settle all your debts. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button for you to be receiving videos like this. And if you're an old member, you're highly welcome. Yes, sometimes you might find yourself deep in debt. Now you might have gone round and round to see if you can get some cash to settle all these debts, but it now looks as if there is no result forthcoming. Now do this to liberate yourself from this debt. Go out there, buy 3 coconuts. Now by the time you come to the house, get one of the coconut. There are 3 eyes in every coconut. Now boil these 3 eyes, of the coconut. Get a glass cup. Pour the coconut water into this glass cup. Now after pouring the water into this glass cup, you now read Psalm 69 into it. After reading Psalm 69 into it, wait till 12 o'clock a.m. Now between 12 o'clock a.m. to 12:30, you can drink this water. Now do this for 3 days and you have money to pay your debts. Now make sure you have faith while you're performing this exercise. Now if you know you also have questions to ask in respect of this video, why not drop it in the comment section and I'll respond to you. Well, before you go, if this is your first time of visiting my channel once again, why not subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that I can be receiving videos like this. Thank you once again for coming to my channel. See you in the next video.